Congratulations are pouring on social media for Olympic track star Veronica Campbell Brown after she announced that she's having her second child. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll have the full details of this to come on the program.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. It has been an outpouring of love and congratulations online for Veronica Campbell Brown after she made her post on her Facebook page that she is expecting her second child. In that post she wrote, "Soon to be a mother of two. I am ready for all the challenges that come with the huge blessing." She then made two follow-up posts, one of which states, "One of life's greatest blessings is that of family. We are blessed that our family is expanding to four." Veronica Campbell Brown is a retired Jamaican track and field sprinter who specializes in the 100 and 200 meters. There has been an outpouring of love from social media users, some of them posted on the pictures posted online. Gloria Stewart wrote, "Congratulations, sweetie." Evangelist Tamara Blake chosen, "Awesome congratulations, beautiful family." Aretha Henry, "Congratulations, I pray it's a boy." And another individual posted on her social media, Faith Monique, "That's awesome, congratulations, I pray the Lord blessings." So this has just been some love that has been shown towards Veronica Campbell Brown and her pregnancy that was announced on her social media platform. And we at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to congratulate her and wish her all the best through her pregnancy and at the time when she gives birth. This is where we're going to leave this report though. Thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and have a blessed and productive day. And if it's the first time you're watching, please remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report.
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.